From Sooner Standards, Data Collection and Transformation with Computational Tools, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6DACVT01. Students learn to collect data using a computational tool and transform that data through sorting, filtering, aggregating, visualizing, or cleaning to make it more useful. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual transformation technique comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 36 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.